Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about ways to raise your credit score. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. There are myriad important numbers in your financial world, but few as critical as your credit FICO score. This FICO number, ranging from 300 to 850, can affect your ability to buy a house or car, get a credit card or other loan, or even get a job sometimes. Your FICO score also affects the interest rates on loans. FICO scores are based on your credit reports. Credit agencies track credit history and sell it to parties who are interested in your credit worthiness. Credit reports consist of four elements. 1. Personal information, which is compiled from credit applications. Credit history, which details of your credit relationships. Also, credit report inquiries, which entered anything someone views your record. Public records, judgments from government sources like liens. Free agencies track credit scores. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You are entitled to a free report once every 12 months. The best place to get this is Annual Credit Report, and you can visit their website at www.annualcreditreport.com. From there, you can see who has been making inquiries about your credit. Check it for errors. Also, find out if you are an identity theft victim. Gauge your chances of getting a loan. A bad credit report does not have to follow you forever. Even bankruptcies generally drop off after 7 years. If your score is less than optimal, you can improve it. Stick with your program and you will increase your chances of eventually getting into that top 5% or even 1%. Report mistakes immediately to the appropriate credit agency. Do this in writing and document it well. Pay everything on time. Even one late payment on a credit card can lower your credit score. Budget your credit card payments. They should be as much as part of your budget as your mortgage and food. Do not let balances on your revolving credit accounts, like credit cards, get too high. Having a high credit debt credit limit ratio can lower your credit score. Neither close your unused accounts nor open new ones to affect your credit score. That trick does not always work. Pay off the cards with the highest interest rate first. No matter what's the balance, you should always pay an extra you have on the card that's costing the most. Pay minimums on the rest. When you have that top card paid off, continue the process with the second in line, and so on. Whenever you can, pay more. Keep an emergency reserve so you can always pay at least minimums on time. Do not be intimidated by this. If you cannot save thousands of dollars, at least squirrel away a few hundred earmarked for this occasion. Skip purchasing a couple of lattes every paycheck and bank it. Another thing you can do is ask your credit card issuer for a lower rate. This actually works sometimes, so it's worth a try. Credit card interest is simply lost money. Use your credit cards occasionally and carefully. Show that you can borrow money and pay it back responsibly. Do not be a ostrich. The credit bureau cannot gauge your ability to pay a debt back if you do not ever borrow any. Try to maintain a stable job and residence. Lenders are more interested in people who show stability in their personal lives. Avoid, like the plague, collection agencies and judgments against you. When you have satisfied a lien, be sure to check that the lien has been released and report that to the free reporting agencies if necessary. What happens if your credit is really in shreds? Double your determination and keep following your program. If you cannot get a traditional credit card, get a secure credit card where you make a cash deposit and can charge up to that limit. Pay it off faithfully, and you will probably eventually get credit again. In the meantime, save as much as you can so you do not trash your credit again. Consider asking someone to co-sign a small loan so you can prove you are worthy of credit. When you are shop for your credit cards like you shop for groceries and clothing. To find the best deal, bankrate.com, which is www.bankrate.com, is a good place to do that. That's a good site for finding the best deals on other financial products. 2. Like mortgages and other loans. Improving your credit score will likely take time and some sacrifices on your part, but it's worth it and it will save you money eventually. The higher the FICO score, the better your chance of credit and loans, and the lower your interest rate may be. So keep plugging towards the payoff. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.